Hello guys, today in this video I will tell you the best joystick setting size to you, and you can jiggle in front of enemies and easily you can kill the enemies guys, so watch the video till end guys. So guys, we are expecting 100 likes to the video. So guys, please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification. We are so close to 500 subs. Joystick size should be 90. Then it is better to jiggle fast guys. And you can aim the enemies so fast guys. You can see guys, I use joystick size 50. And you can see the jiggle speed also increases, but you cannot aim on enemies so fast. Here you can see, I increases the size of the joystick to 130. And I cannot jiggle so fast. But my aim was so good.